Hello students and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to revise some very important questions of carbon and its compound. So question number 1 is that give a chemical test to distinguish between ethanol and ethanoic acid. So you have to distinguish between ethanol and ethanoic acid by using a chemical test. So what will you write in this? You will write a reaction where you will show that this is happening in ethanol or ethanoic acid and it is not going to happen with the other one. So which reaction we are going to write? We'll write the reaction of ethanoic acid with sodium bicarbonate. So this ethanoic acid we will take CH3COOH plus sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3, and we will write down that when NaHCO3 reacts with CH3COONa, then what is formed is this will be CH3COONa plus CO2 plus H2O. So CO2 is released here. So you will write down when ethanoic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, then CO2 is released in this equation, and ethanol does not show any such reaction with sodium bicarbonate. So in this way you can distinguish between ethanol and ethanoic acid. So this is question number 1. Now what is question number 2? Question number 2 is that why soaps are better than detergents. Why soaps are better than detergents? So why they are better? Soaps में क्या होता है? All the soaps are biodegradable. So we'll write down in the answer that soaps are biodegradable. So if they are biodegradable, they will not pollute the water. They are biodegradable, so they will not pollute the water. But you will write down, but the detergents are non-biodegradable. But the detergents are non-biodegradable. So this here we have finished this question number 2 also, that why soaps are better than detergents. Now question number 3 is that why are soaps ineffective in hard water. So if such question comes, why soaps are ineffective, why they don't work with hard water, so you will give 2 points in this. They are ineffective because they do not form leather. वो झाग ही नहीं बनाते with hard water. And why they do not form leather? They do not form leather because of the formation of insoluble precipitates of calcium and magnesium salts of fatty acids. So we'll write down that soap do not form leather with hard water. We will write down with hard water because of the formation of insoluble precipitates of calcium and magnesium salts of fatty acids. And what is point number 2? Point number 2 you will write down, क्योंकि ये बन गया आपके insoluble precipitates बन गए, तो अब क्या होगा? सोप वर्क ही नहीं करेगी. These precipitates they stick to the cloth. So you will write down these precipitates stick to the cloth and interferes in the cleansing action of soap. So these 2 points you will give if this question comes in your exam. Okay, now question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is, I am reading this question. What would be observed on adding 5% solution of alkaline potassium permanganate solution drop by drop to some warm ethanol taken in a test tube. So here we are asking if we have ethanol in a test tube, warm ethanol, and we are adding 5% solution of KMnO4, alkaline potassium permanganate is KMnO4 with a base. So we are adding alkaline KMnO4 into it drop by drop. Then what will happen? So alkaline KMnO4, if you know, is a very strong oxidizing agent. So when we will add KMnO4 to, we are adding it to ethanol. So what is ethanol? C2H5OH. Now we are adding alkaline KMnO4 to it. Okay, alkaline KMnO4 to it. This is a very strong oxidizing agent. It will oxidize ethanol to ethanoic acid. So what will you will get here? CH3COOH. Okay, and this is warm ethanol in which you are adding. So you can even write ki we are heating here. So this C2H5OH plus alkaline KMnO4 in presence of heat, it will convert, it will oxidize C2H5OH to ethanoic acid CH3COOH. So this is your answer. If this question comes, you will write down there that's KMnO4 acts as a very strong oxidizing agent. That's why it converts ethanol to ethanoic acid. Now the last question is that what is the electron dot structure of NH3? So if it comes that what is the electron dot structure? Yeah, make the electron dot structure of NH3. So how will you make it? What is the atomic number of nitrogen? It is 7. So this is K-L-Mn shell. If we divide, it is 2, 5. And for hydrogen, we know its atomic number is 1. So it will be in the K shell. Now when we have to make electron dot structure, then write down N. And because we have 3 H, so H, 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 and we have 5 here in the last shell. So we always use the electrons which are present in the last shell. So take out these 5 here. This 1, I am making here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hydrogen 1. So every hydrogen will have 1 electron. So this now 2 with hydrogen. It's now this is complete. Duplet is complete with hydrogen. Duplet is complete. Duplet is complete. And with nitrogen, what nitrogen wants it? 8 in the outermost shell to complete its octet. In hydrogen, it has to complete its duplet, and in nitrogen, it has to complete its octet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nitrogen got 8 here after sharing, and hydrogen got this hydrogen 2, this 2, this 2. So this structure is electron dot structure of NH3. You can even do this like, you can finally give the answer like this. Hydrogen and 2 is, these two are unshared pair of electrons. You can write here unshared pair of electrons which are left with nitrogen. So this is, we have finished today some good questions of carbon and its compound. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching it, and subscribe my channel for more videos.